Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English reading practice series. Today, we continue our library story with Part 4, From Reader to Leader. In Part 3, Alex gained confidence through reading, learning, and sharing ideas with others. Now, a new challenge awaits him. Let's begin Part 4.
The following week, the librarian gathered all challenge participants for an important announcement. Everyone seemed curious about what would happen next. After welcoming the students, she introduced a special reading project designed to encourage teamwork, leadership, and creative thinking skills. The project would require small teams to work together for several weeks while reading, researching, and sharing their ideas regularly. Many participants looked excited because the challenge offered new opportunities for learning and collaboration with friends inside the library community. Alex listened carefully as the project details were explained to the group. The opportunity sounded interesting and full of possibilities. After the introduction ended, students were divided into different teams according to their interests and goals for the project. Alex was assigned to a team with 3 students. Everyone shared suggestions about books, topics, and themes they might explore together. Several creative ideas emerged during the discussion. Although many suggestions appeared interesting, the group struggled to choose a single direction for their project and needed more planning. After listening carefully, Alex offered an idea that combined several suggestions into one organized project concept for the entire team. His teammates appreciated the proposal because it allowed everyone to contribute their individual strengths and interests toward a shared goal. The group agreed to develop a project about how books inspire growth, confidence, and lifelong learning for people everywhere. Once the topic was selected, the team began planning responsibilities and creating a schedule for future meetings and activities. Each member accepted specific tasks that matched their skills and personal interests, making the workload fair for everyone involved. Alex volunteered to coordinate the project schedule and help organize team discussions because he enjoyed planning and supporting others. His teammates trusted him and appreciated his willingness to help manage the project and keep everyone working toward deadlines. Over the following days, the team met regularly inside the library to share progress and ideas for their presentation. Each meeting produced valuable new information and helped strengthen teamwork among the group members participating in the special project. Sometimes the students disagreed about certain ideas and approaches, but they always worked together respectfully to find effective solutions. Alex learned that leadership often required listening carefully before making decisions that affected the entire group and their success. The experience taught him that cooperation and communication were just as important as knowledge and preparation during any project. As the project continued, the team became more organized, efficient, and confident with every meeting they completed together. The librarian occasionally visited their workspace to offer guidance, answer questions, and encourage everyone to continue working hard toward success. She noticed how much Alex had improved. As presentation day approached, the group reviewed every part of the project to ensure everything was clear, accurate, and complete. Everyone felt excited about sharing their work with other participants and demonstrating what they had learned through reading and teamwork. Walking home after another productive meeting, Alex felt proud of the progress his team had achieved and looked forward eagerly. The final presentation week arrived sooner than expected. Every team continued preparing their projects with great focus and determination. Alex and his teammates met after school regularly to review their work and improve every section of the presentation. Each member contributed valuable ideas and suggestions. The project had become stronger because everyone worked together effectively and respectfully. As presentation day approached, the team practiced speaking before one another, offering help. The librarian occasionally visited their practice sessions. She provided useful advice and reminded students to stay calm and prepared. Her encouragement helped everyone feel more confident, especially participants who still felt nervous about speaking before larger groups. When presentation day finally arrived, the library was filled with excitement and anticipation. Students gathered together to celebrate their progress. Several teams presented first, sharing creative ideas and interesting discoveries from their reading projects and research activities. Alex listened carefully to every presentation because each group offered unique perspectives and valuable lessons worth remembering. Soon, it was time for his team to present before everyone. The group walked confidently toward the presentation. Taking a deep breath, he began speaking clearly and introduced the project topic to the audience with confidence. His teammates followed smoothly, presenting different sections of the project and sharing important findings from their research and reading. The audience listened attentively while the team explained how books inspire growth, confidence, and lifelong learning for many people. Throughout the presentation, Alex remained focused and spoke naturally without hesitation. A few months earlier, this would seem impossible. The project concluded successfully, and the audience applauded enthusiastically for the team's hard work, preparation, and excellent teamwork. The librarian congratulated them and praised their organization, communication, and creativity during the entire project, from beginning to end. Alex felt proud, not only of the result, but also of the personal growth he experienced during the challenge. His teammates thanked him for helping coordinate meetings and keeping everyone motivated throughout the project period and preparation process. After all presentations ended, the librarian gathered participants for a special celebration, recognizing everyone's effort and commitment to learning. Certificates were distributed to students who completed the reading project successfully. Many participants smiled proudly while receiving recognition. The reading challenge taught him valuable lessons about leadership, teamwork, communication, and personal development through consistent effort and learning. Several friends gathered nearby to take photographs and celebrate their achievements together. The atmosphere felt joyful and memorable for everyone. Before leaving the library, Alex thanked the librarian for her guidance, support, and encouragement throughout the entire journey. She smiled warmly and reminded him that learning never truly ends for those who remain curious and willing to grow. Walking home that evening, Alex reflected on everything he had accomplished through reading, friendship, teamwork, and the challenge experience.
Thank you for joining today's English reading practice. This was part 4, From Reader to Leader. Alex's journey continues as he learns new lessons about leadership, teamwork, and personal growth. Keep reading, keep learning, keep growing. See you in part 5. Happy reading!